I'm Kathy Lowry. I am having a left hip surgery on December 3rd with the wonderful Dr. Jones. I had my first hip replacement April 30th of this year. Of course, lots and lots of pain. Before walking out of the hospital, with my walker, I had absolutely no pain that I had been feeling for over a year. And I haven't had one bit of pain since then. So, it just was a wonderful experience. I'm so thankful that I have one good leg right now and get ready to have two. So, from the first time I met Dr. Jones and Jesse, they just set my mind at ease. They just made me feel so comfortable and not scared.
When we saw Kathy for her first visit, which ultimately led to a hip replacement, we met her, assessed what her main symptoms or issues were, which in her case was hip pain. Then we performed an exam. We took x-rays, which let us see her bone quality and any issues, and then we came up with a plan.
Dr. Jones has such a good bedside manner. I mean, from the very beginning to the end, and then even day after my surgery, he called me personally just to make sure that everything was going okay, and they're a wonderful team. Some of the things that I like to do that I really can't do anymore is go for walks, and not even long walks. Just walking in general, and that really bothers me.
Feel better now? A little bit, yes.
It's a major operation, but over time, really the past 30 or 40 years, a lot of improvements have been made in our ability to control pain, to get people through the operation quickly. And typically folks are up on their feet within a couple hours of surgery and home later the same day, usually on a walker for balance in the acute postoperative period.
When I came out of surgery, laying there on the recovery bed, I was happy because I had no pain in my hip, of course, that I've had for, I don't know, a couple, 3 years. I went back to work full time. That's been several weeks ago, and just able to work with the pups, the dogs, and the training and the grooming and pulling and yanking on the dogs when they don't want to go a certain way. And before I'd have to get help, but now I have absolutely no problem at all.
The ultimate goal, especially for hip and knee replacement surgeons, is returning people to where they were before. They're impacted and limited due to the joint pain that they experience. So if we eliminate that pain, we've taken that obstacle out of their way. So to see her back doing all the things she enjoys is why I come to work.
I'm Kathy Lowry, and I want to thank Dr. Jones and OrthoArkansas for getting me back healthy to do the things I love.